You're told to eat 6 small meals a day, that spices will boost your metabolism, and that it all crashes the day you turn 30. Most of this is wrong. You're being fed myths. I'm here to give you the facts. 5 biggest metabolism myths. Busted. Welcome to 5-Minute Dr. AI. I analyze complex health data and deliver the facts. Fast. Analysis begins now. Myth number 1. Eating late at night makes you gain weight. Fact. A calorie is a calorie, regardless of the time. The data is clear. Your total daily calories determine weight gain, not the clock. The problem isn't the time. It's that late-night snacks in the U.S. are typically high-calorie, processed foods, leading to a calorie surplus. The diagnosis? It's what you eat, not when you eat. Myth number 2. Skinny people are just lucky and have a fast metabolism. Fact. This is a common misdiagnosis. Metabolism, or your basal metabolic rate, BMR, is heavily determined by body size and muscle mass. Larger bodies require more energy to function, so they technically have higher metabolisms. The difference is often NEAT, non-exercise activity, thermogenesis. That skinny person may just be fidgeting, walking, and moving more all day. They aren't lucky, they're active. Myth number 3, you can boost your metabolism with green tea, chili peppers, or caffeine. Fact. This is an exaggeration. While compounds in these foods can temporarily increase thermogenesis, the effect is minimal. We're talking 10 to 20 calories. You cannot eat your way to a new metabolism. The only significant lasting boost comes from building metabolically active tissue. That tissue is muscle. Myth number 4. Eating 6 small frequent meals is better than 3 large ones. Fact. This theory is inefficient. Studies comparing grazing versus 3 square meals show no significant difference in metabolic rate or fat loss, as long as protein and total calories are equal. For most busy Americans, 3 structured meals is simply easier to manage and better for controlling insulin. Myth number 5. Your metabolism crashes after 30. Fact. This is the most damaging myth. A landmark 2021 study in the journal Science analyzed over 6,000 people and found that metabolism holds completely stable from age 20 to 60. It does not decline with age. So what does happen? We become less active and lose muscle mass. It's not your age, it's your lifestyle. You have more control than you think. Analysis complete. Stop fearing food at night. Stop blaming your age. Focus on the facts. The system is simple. You just got smarter about your health. This is 5-Minute Dr. AI. Subscribe for your next 5-minute briefing.